Hello, my dear students, and welcome to Sikkim, India's window to the Himalayas. And as you all know, that for the Ek Bharat Shresht Bharat CBSE project, Sikkim is the partner state of Delhi. So in this series, we are doing many crafts related to Sikkim. I've already taught how to make mask, dance mask, and animal mask. Now it's time for another craft. I will be teaching you how to design a very creative, a very unique menu card inspired by Sikkim art and culture. Now these you can use for your art integration related to science, related to EVS states, and related to language subjects because you're going to write on the menu card. Also in travel brochures. As you know, the menu card has the following things: main dishes, special dishes, desserts, and drinks. So you're going to have these on your menu card. And now let me take you through the food of Sikkim. We have the yummy momos, the spicy hot thukpa, dal bhat. It's time to start making the menu card. Like I've told you, Sikkim is famous for such hand fans. Children, if you have ever been to Sikkim, I have been there, you will see there are these very beautiful hand fans, and some of them are really huge, which are also used to decorate the houses. So I'm going to teach you a card, menu card, which is in the shape of a hand fan. You can increase the size of the menu card or decrease the size of the menu card depending on how many items you have in your restaurant. Let's begin. For that, you need a sheet of paper, any color. We need a semicircle out of this sheet of paper. Students, to draw a semicircle, use a sheet of your favorite choice, color. Keep your compass in the center where you want to draw the semicircle. I want to draw the semicircle in this area. So I'm going to keep my compass in the center like this. In the center of the sheet, you can see space on both sides is equal. And now just measure till across the length of this paper, till here, the corner. We've got the corner. You can see the compass is at the center. This is at the corner, and I can hold my sheet and draw a semicircle. As you can see, I've got a perfect semicircle. Now those of you who feel that maybe drawing this semicircle this way by keeping it in the center and measuring is a little difficult for you, you can use any circle shaped plate or bowl that you have in your house. Then draw a circle with it and then cut the circle into half and you will get a semicircle. Now students, I've cut out the semicircle. What I'm going to do now for the fan, I'm going to put, I have these strips with me. You can use ice cream sticks or popsicle sticks also. And I'm going to put them to give it a look of a fan. Students, as you can see, my fan is ready. Now, I want to write the menu, whatever food items are available in these spaces. But since my fan is of a dark color, which is a red color, so I need to cut out triangles with a lighter color paper, and then I can write the menu on those triangles and stick them here. You can decorate your fan further, make it bigger so that your teacher is able to read what you have written. I am just doing a sample for you right now. Trace it like this and cut this out. Students, now just like we have divided this semicircle into triangles, the same we are going to do for this also. For that, no need to use your pencil. Just fold your sheet once like this. You all know how to do paper folding. And then once again from the center, hold this center and fold it again to get a smaller cone. And we are ready. Now what are we going to do? We are just going to cut on these lines like this. So here I am done with 4 of my triangles. I can write my food items, the restaurant's name. So now I'm ready. But it's too big. Now what should I do? I need to put all these triangles together. Just look here. I can put these triangles together and I need to trim the edges so that the red paper also shows. So you can see I am just going to cut out the edges like this so that it becomes smaller in size, and my red space, yes, now the red space is visible. So I'm going to put these. Our fan shaped menu card is ready, and you can write your restaurant name and the items, food items that are available in this space. Now I'm going to teach you another one in the shape of a momo. That you all love to eat momos. Let's go. Now for the momo shape menu card, you don't have to do too much work. It's actually a little easier than the fan shaped menu card. So first of all, I'm going to be folding my sheet. So students, just like you make a card, fold your sheet nicely into a half. And now we are going to draw the shape of a momo. Now what is the shape of momos? Yes, it's like a drop shape, or you can say it's like a potli. So how to make the drop shape? You all know. From the top, let's make a big one because you need space to write down what are you serving. And like this. We are done. Make these lines on the dumpling and we are going to cut it out. Now when we cut, always remember the side that opens should be on your right hand side and the side which is folded should be on your left hand side. Now we are not going to cut this part because if we are going to cut this, this is going to come out in 2 halves. So see how I'm cutting. I will not cut at all over here. I'm not going to cut. I will just cut a bit of this. Move on the lines. If you feel that the momo is looking too long, you can shorten it also a bit. See, I'm doing this right now. Like I told you, I'm not going to cut there. So I will just finish here and I am ready with one big momo. Now right now it's not looking exactly like a momo. So I need to shape it a little, children. And the second thing that I need to do, maybe with my colors, with my mustard and a yellow color, I can just add some shading to it so that it looks like a momo. Now I can take my white color and just merge these. You already know how to shade this. So we are merging the lines, children. If you want to write something in the center, you want to write the name of your restaurant, you can do it in the center. Or whatever your teacher has asked you, you can do it that way. So I am just giving you the design. And right now I feel that it's looking a little, it's not very defined. So to define it, I've taken a big thick marker and I am just going to outline this. After outlining, children, my momo shaped menu card is ready. You can see you want to add a little chutney bowl over here, so you can cut it out with a paper and stick it. Rest, the creativity is all up to you. You want to add some lettuce along with it, you can do that. On top you can write the name of your restaurant. Inside you can give the details, whatever you are serving, and you want it to look a little better. So just like we did in this fan, we we had to stick extra paper, so you can take any colorful paper, stick it inside and then write the menu on it. Okay children, now I'm teaching you one last one, an apron shaped menu card. Rest any other menu card, please be very creative and do it yourself. Now I'm going to be teaching you. See, I'm using my paper. We are not going to waste any paper, and make sure you draw on the sides so that you can reuse that sheet for any other project of yours. Now to make an apron shaped menu card, you should know how to make an apron. To make an apron, it's very easy. Draw as big as you want it to be. These are samples, so I'm drawing little smaller. First you make a sleeping line, then there are these two curves, and then just come down and make the center, and at the top this goes inside your neck, and let's cut it out. Now I have to cut this area children. Now how to cut this area? You can just take your scissor. Please use smaller scissors. I'm using bigger ones. We make a slit in the center and then we go around with a smaller scissor please, and we have to just cut on this line. If you feel that this is a lot of work for you, then you may add the strip separately using another paper. Students, I'll be adding this pocket on the apron. What I'm going to do, just see, I'm putting Fevicol on 1, 2 and 3 sides only, and there we go, the pocket is ready. So students, our menu cards in various shapes are ready from Sikkim, based on Sikkim themes. See what I've done for the apron shaped one. I've put one spatula also, and on this you can write the menu and just insert it here, or maybe you can write it at the back as you wish. So be very creative and enjoy making